Naman sa media, and in 1 minute, we're going to ask or request our audience na dahan-dahan kayong lalapit pag sinabi namin, ha? Pag may go-signal. Huwag po tayo magtutulungan, ha? Yung mga bata, alalahanin po natin, baka po bata pa.
Baka pumunta po sila dito sa stage at hanapin po kayo. Nawawala po yung tanay ko at tatay ko.
Hawakan po natin yung mga bata, ha?
Mababayaan.
Okay.
Yan, yung mga cellphone natin, mga valuables, yan, medyo siksikan na po kayo dyan. Bantayan po natin.
Last 30 seconds.
Parang ano, no?
Parang
marathon. May kondon sila, tapos iba pa yung kondon.
Okay. So yung pong mga crowd control natin, Deltans, maraming salamat. Mga criminology students natin, mga Baguio City Police Office, men and women, maraming salamat po. Please extend our sincerest gratitude sa inyo pong pamanuan, si City Police Director Colonel Tagal at ang Traffic Enforcement Unit, ang head po niya si Police Major Togas, at lahat po no, ng bumubuo ng Baguio's Finest and the Police Regional Office for Cordillera, si Brigadier General Paredes. Okay, I hope I got that right. And
Ako naman gusto ko to personally thank si Andrew, of course. Yan, ang aking partner every street dance and float parade. Our Chief of Staff, Ms. Madge Paino, thank you very much. Our, of course, Mr. Anthony De Leon, Mr. Freddy Alquiros, and our Chairman for Life, Attorney Mauricio Damogan.
oo. At syempre, yung 122nd Naval Combat Support Squadron Reserve. Okay? Thank you very much po. So, Deltans, ready na ba tayo? Can we... Andyan po sila, Mayor? Okay lang? Nasa gilid? Okay lang? Okay. So, wag po tayo magtutulakan. If we're ready, ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy for your eyes only the floats in the float competition of the Baguio Flower Festival.
No touching po, ha?
Okay, go!
The winners will be announced again on February 26.
Pwede nang lapitan yung mga
Suspension Road.
float.
Maraming salamat po sa pagsama ninyo sa amin. Kahapon,
Tingnan natin yung
ngayon,
mga float, guys, na
ayan,
malapitan.
magpapaalam po